There was a need of efficient logistics services, especially a transport service, to cater the needs of the dealers. Dependency on the people was more. The overall infrastructure limitations were there. The overall need of the organization was not only to optimize the route, address the cost savings which KOEL is anticipating, but to have an overall operational efficiency which will facilitate the end customer.
We used to plan all our logistics operations manually before implementing Locus. We have 13 hubs across the country, and our managers would sit every day and plan dispatches manually, which vehicle is to be used in which route for which dealer. For example, if a manager has to deliver materials to 100 dealers, which vehicle has to be used for a particular dealer, the route to be taken, and the quantity of material to be carried per vehicle. It was time consuming and didn't allow effective utilization of our vehicles. Dealers would not get the materials on time, and we faced many such difficulties. Ever since Locus has been implemented, the entire route planning is done using the Locus platform. Before Locus, it used to take 2 to 3 hours every morning to carry out this plan, and now it just takes 10 to 20 minutes.
After Locus implementation, it is not only the cost benefits that we are seeing here, we are seeing the entire chain of this logistics being streamlined, right from the planning, demand and planning up till the material received at the customer, followed by our billing thing. Whatever few concerns and issues were there in our earlier condition, so after Locus implementation, that discipline also has come into the system, wherein almost our say 90 to 95% of the manual errors that have really gone.
I think Locus has been an extremely good partner, support partner to us. We are facing a lot of difficulties in terms of our secondary freight movement, but Locus has brought in a lot of automation in processes, thereby removing manual interventions and manual errors have been completely taken care of. Secondly, the utilization of the vehicles has tremendously improved. That has resulted in around 3% of savings to us, amounting to roughly around 30 lakhs to us. No, advantages which has come to us is the system has forced a discipline in our operations. So the dealers are more certain of when the products will get delivered to them. And finally, all because of this, the customers are really very happy with the services which we have been provided lately as compared to what they were experiencing before we had Locus with us.
Locus team's committed efforts has helped us to execute the complete route optimization solution across India as per our plan, that is in scheduled time, and we look forward many such engagements with Locus team in near future.